Creating an effective sales funnel is essential for businesses that are looking to convert leads into customers and also increase their revenue as well. Hey guys, welcome back and congratulations. My name is Mazi Ezike Chinedu, and in this guide I will show you few steps on how to create an effective sales funnel, which is a visual representation of the customer's journey from awareness of your product or service to making a purchase. Alright? Now, what tips are you going to learn in this wonderful guide? First things first, we're going to start with understanding your audience, and then move ahead to define your sales funnel stages. Okay? After that, we're going to go ahead to create awareness, generating interest, stock consideration, decision making, capture leads, lead nurturing, converting to sales, customer retention, analyze and optimize, and then automation. After automation, we're going to integrate with CRM. Okay? And then after that, personalization, and then finally compliance. Okay? And that's that, guys. Now let's begin with understanding your audience. So guys, at this stage it is important to begin by thoroughly researching and understanding your target audience. Okay? You need to know their needs, their preferences, their pain points, and their behaviors. Alright? And that's perfect, guys. Now, the next in line is defining your sales funnel stages. Okay? So guys, at this point, it is important to understand that a typical sales funnel includes several stages, which includes awareness, interest, consideration, and decision. So guys, these stages can be customized to suit your specific business needs. Okay? And that's beautiful, guys. Now, the next in line is creating awareness. Okay? So guys, at this stage, it is important to create awareness. Okay? At the top of the funnel, always focus on creating awareness of your product or services through various marketing channels like content marketing, social media, SEOs, and advertising. Okay? And that's beautiful, guys. Now, the next in line is generating interest. Alright? So guys, it is important to understand that once people are aware of your business, you need to pique their interest. Okay? And this can be done through informative blog posts, videos, or free resources that can address their pain points. And that's beautiful, guys. Now, the next in line is stock consideration. So guys, at this stage, it is important to understand that your prospects are actively considering your offering. Okay? So it is important that you provide them with in-depth information, comparison, and a case study to help them to make informed decision. Okay? Now, the next in line is decision making. So guys, at this point, your leads are close to making a decision. Okay? So it is advisable that you offer them incentives such as discounts or free trials in order to encourage them to make a purchase. Okay? And that's beautiful, guys. The next in line is capturing leads. Okay? Now, at this stage, it is important to understand that throughout the funnel, you should be capturing leads information. Okay? Such as email addresses. Okay? And in turn, this will enable you to nurture your leads and then move them through the funnel. And that's beautiful, guys. The next in line is lead nurturing. Okay? So, guys, at this stage, it is important that you implement email marketing and other lead nurturing strategies in order to stay engaged with potential customers, providing them with value and also maintaining their interest. And that's beautiful, guys. Now, the next in line is converting to sales. Okay? So, guys, when your leads are ready to buy, it is advisable that you make the purchasing processes as easy as possible. Okay? Use clear and persuasive calls to actions, or should I say CTAs, in order to encourage more conversions. And that's beautiful, guys. Now, the next in line is customer retention. So, guys, at this stage, after a sale is completed, it is important to continue engaging with your customers. Okay? Provide them with excellent customer service. Request feedbacks and also offer post-purchase support in order to build long-term relationships. And that's beautiful, guys. Now, the next in line is analyze and optimize. So, guys, at this stage, it is important and advisable that you continuously analyze the performance of your sales funnel. Okay? Use analytic tools to identify bottlenecks and areas for improvements. Okay? Test different strategies, messages, and offers in order to optimize your funnel. And that's beautiful, guys. Now, the next in line is automation. So, guys, at this stage, it is important that you consider using marketing automation tools in order to streamline and scale your sales funnel processes. Okay? Automation can help with lead scoring, email marketing, and many more. And that's beautiful, guys. Now, the next in line is integrating with CRM. Okay? So, guys, at this stage, it is important that you connect your sales funnel to a customer relationship management system, CRM. Okay? In order to manage your leads, track interactions, and then segment your audience effectively. And that's beautiful, guys. Now, the next in line is personalization. So, guys, at this stage, it is important that you personalize your communication and offers based on the lead's behavior and preferences. Okay? This, in turn, increases the likelihood of conversion. And that's beautiful, guys. So, guys, the last important tip to take note of is compliance. So, guys, at this stage, ensure that your sales funnel complies with data protection regulations. Okay? For example, the GDPR and other relevant laws in order to maintain trust and also avoid future legal issues. And that's beautiful, guys. Now, That's that on the step-by-step guide on how to create a sales funnel. So guys, in conclusion, remember that a well-designed sales funnel is a dynamic and evolving tool. Okay? As market conditions and customer preferences changes, your sales funnel should adapt accordingly. Okay? So therefore, it is important that you regularly review and adjust your strategies in order to maximize your sales and marketing efforts. Thanks for watching, guys. Do well to like, share, and subscribe. And if you find this content to be educative, please kindly leave a comment in the comment section. See you soon, guys. Stay blessed.